guys, this is so freaking good.
Hi, it's me, Mila Martinico, and welcome to my house and another episode of At Home with Mama Mila. So listen, growing up, my mom actually had like an Italian sandwich shop, and I worked there from the time I was, I think, 9. It was called Mama Mia's, which is kind of how I came up with Mama Mila's, because, you know, my name, I thought it was cute, whatever. Anyways, it had the best sandwich, and my sandwich was a number 16, which was a veggie sandwich with turkey. Not really feeling turkey today, so we are going to make the ultimate veggie sandwich, which would have been a number 13. I'm going to show you my twist on the veggie sandwich from my mom's place. Oh my God, I've been craving this being pregnant. So delicious. Let's start off with our ingredients. Real easy, okay? I've got a beautiful ciabatta bread, and it is toasted, and ooh, look, it's steamy. I've got avocado. I've got Colby Jack cheese. I've got provolone cheese. We've got some pesto. Watch to see what we do with that. Then here, I've got my veggies prepped. I have salad, I have sprouts, I have beautiful tomatoes. I'm adding radishes this time because I love radishes being pregnant. And then I have red onion, bell peppers, and then we've got pepperoncini. They're already sliced. I'm gonna put a pickle on the side because I'm gonna share this sandwich with someone. I'm pretty sure they don't like pickles. Then I've got olive oil, really, really good balsamic, salt and pepper. Let's assemble a sandwich.
First things first, we're gonna take a small, I wish it was more ripe, avocado, and we are going to mix it into a tablespoon and a half of pesto. All right, now we're gonna open up our bread, and on the top half, we're gonna spread our avocado pesto mixture. Then we're just gonna add salt and pepper. First things first, we're gonna put on some lettuce. I have this beautiful blend, fresh from the farmer's market. And then we are going to put olive oil, and we're gonna season it. We're gonna season multiple times as we go through this. Then I'm gonna add on tomato, and we're gonna do radishes, which I told you I'm obsessed. Again, we're gonna season that. And then we're gonna do a drizzle of a really good old balsamic. This is one of my favorites. We're gonna do our onions and our peppers and our pepperoncini. And then we're gonna top it all with our cheese. We got Colby Jack, and I also have some sharp provolone. And then I love sprouts, friends. We're gonna put sprouts on top. We're gonna drizzle olive oil, and here we go.
Is this not the most beautiful, like, healthy sandwich you've ever seen in your life? Now it's time for you to see a psychotic pregnancy of deliciousness. I'm putting a little bit of pickle juice and a little bit of pepperoncini juice. Listen, if you've never had a turkey sandwich with chips like Ruffles or Lay's potato chips and cheese and mayonnaise dipped in this mixture, you're missing out on life. Oh my God. I feel like the old lady on the Golden Girls where she was like, if this sauce was a person, I'd make love to it. That's how I feel about this sandwich. Oh my God. Thank you so much for coming with me and being in my kitchen, making the world's best freaking sandwich that's healthy and for your vegetarian friends. Anyways, I hope that you come back. Remember, I love to see you, I love to feed you. I love you being in the kitchen with me cooking. Most of all, I just love you. Tanti Bachi.